During the running analysis, it's very useful to see the evolution of the applied load and beam deflection. We can make the diagram by clicking on this icon. The diagram title can be LD, load and deflection, and horizontal axis should be displacement, deflection and displacement. The name of axis displacement unit meter. We can see in the left side the changes, and vertical axis should be load reaction. We can change the title from here. Title, we want put load and unit meganewton. As we see the change, and we can switch the side of axis, and we have now this diagram. To better view, we can change the width of the line as we see. By this icon, we can edit properties of this diagram. We back to the same window. We can maybe change the color. As we see, each step appear on this line, and this we can pause the analyze, and by this button we can interrupt this analyze and OK. If we want to restore the original windows, we can use window default, and we can switch between the windows from here. We can also display crack width. First, we will use this icon and select 3D, then click to this icon. Now from the results, show scalar results and value crack width should be selected, and item code 1 because there's at most 3 cracks at each node. Now draw ISO area and apply. For better view, we can rotate the model as we see, and rotate by shift and left bottom of the mouse. For better view, also we can display deformation as we see model change. Also, cracks can also be displayed on the surface. From here, crack maximum 3 and minimum value 0.0005 maybe. It's good, and apply. As we see, crack appears on the model. All of these options of drawing cracks and results on the structure are in fact post-processing features of ATENA Studio. This is one of unique features of ATENA software. Now, after the nonlinear analysis finishing, we can click on post-processing and make new structure windows by this icon. For better view, we can rotate the model, and from this icon we should select 3D. Then we will see how the crack appear in ATENA. So from crack here, show cracks, and the maximum level should be 1 to see better, and from results show scalar result and value crack width with code 1, and draw ISO area and apply. Now from set properties, we should select element transparency. As we see, we can reduce the minimum of cracks and rotate the model. In this way we can show crack in the best possible way. As we see, it's nice view. Now we want add new window to show the reinforcement bar. Reinforcement to 1D, not 3D, and we don't have 1D, so we should add from edit activity and add 1D. The name should be 1D, and we select it from this table and OK. Now we have, so select and select draw all the model, then we can go to results to show the strain. Okay, we select strain axis and apply. For better view we can change from edit properties 1D elements width to 6 maybe. It's better to view. And here in step 31 the load was maximum, so we can go to step 31 by this and show the strain in reinforcement bars.